Yeah.
And this is the get the money and put inside the privacy bank account.
I'm understand. It's
Oh.
me, my friend.
Not
You
you.
understand.
Nilagay daw kasi
No.
yung pera sa privacy ng mga ano.
Hindi, gago.
Sa
Parang
akin,
ganun.
Oh.
Ano sabi? Ano ba?
Wala namang money dun eh.
Sabi
Walang
ng
pera
money.
dun.
Pare, nasa-attach ka
The attache
Application.
case deliver every house and put and sit to
Oras-oras.
everyone official government inside the Philippine country, and they
Ano
investigate
drugs? What is your
hours.
English?
They investigate the months continue, and you don't know, and deeper the mouth and close eyes, and there is no evidence, and to everyone the answer
Yan,
is
Tagalogin mo yan.
yung pera na nakalagay sa
Attache
plastic
case.
na attache case, dineliver sa bahay,
Tapos,
tapos inimbestigahan nung tinanggi, tapos yung bibig tikom,
take up of the mouth.
nilagyan ng
Busa.
zipper, tapos nagmamaang-maangan.
Anong dahilan?
Yung pera nilagay sa pang privacy nilang bank account.
Tinago.
Oh. Kaya the Philippine country
Hindi ni Primo pag ganit, Tagalog,
Ah.
pero mag English.